Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah, and before we get started I would just like to acknowledge the traditional owners on the land on which we're all gathering today, wherever that may be. I would like to pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging, and extend that respect to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Just a reminder, sovereignty was never ceded. So yes, I'm Sarah. Hey, if you're new here, it'd be great if you could subscribe. If you're not new here, I hope you're already subscribed, but if you're not, please do, and ring the notification bell. Like this video if you want to, like, no pressure. And follow me on Instagram, which will be down below, along with any links that I've been given for any deals or whatever. It's all down there. Anyway, today, as you've probably already seen, I have a BELLABOX to unbox. I wish they came earlier in the month. They always come like in the last week. And I want to try and get them up early so that, you know, you can decide whether or not you want to buy it for the month. I'm filming this on Sunday because I'm very behind because uni is kicking my butt. I'm going to upload it on Sunday too, so you officially have, I think, a week, just a week to get it if you do want it. Let's see what's in it. Oh dear, I'm not good with a pair of scissors. Sorry if there's background noise today. I've left both doors open. Morgan's working outside the yard, and it is extremely windy. Like, it's classic July-August weather in Brisbane. It's just so windy and cold. But yesterday I was walking around in a t-shirt. So, anyway, here we go. The card's a little bit boring this month. It's like clouds. Okay. Oh, what's that? Can't help it. I've just been digging through this. Okay. Well, let's start with this stuff. There's two of them. So this is, oh, it's a shampoo and conditioner. So this is by the brand Kristoff Robin Rose Volume Shampoo and Conditioner. Give lifeless hair a boost. So it's rose scented, removes buildup, gives fine thin hair a boost. I have fine hair, but it's not thin. I have a lot of hair. It's nothing much exciting on this. So we have 12 ml samples. The regular size is 250 mils. Oh my gosh. Shampoo is 50 bucks. And the conditioner is $56. And you can get it at Sephora or Adore Beauty. Oh my gosh, it's so expensive. Do some maths here. So the shampoo, we have $2.40 worth of product. Would you pay $2.40 for something this size? I don't know, man. I don't know. $2.69 worth of conditioner. Far out, that's expensive. I'm such a cheapo when it comes to things. So I'm obviously not going to try this right now. I have a feeling I'm not going to be able to try a lot of the things in this box. I'm sorry, because I think they're all hair things. Okay, let's go with the next hair product, shall we? So this is the John Frieda Frizzy's Secret Weapon. Prevent frizz and repel humidity by treating your hair to Frizzy's Secret Weapon Finishing Cream. Okay, so we have 30 mils and its full size is 113 grams. It's such a random size. And it costs $16.99. $4.51 worth of product here. Start with dry hair. Rub a small amount of cream into palms and pull through styled or natural hair, concentrating on ends. This I can do. I have dry hair. It's not very clean, but it's fine. It's got a lot of dry shampoo in it right now. It's fine. Alright. Start with dry hair. Rub a small amount of cream into palms. Okay. I don't know what small amount of cream is. I just did that much. What do you reckon? Did it do anything? It wasn't very frizzy to begin with. A, because it's not clean, and B, because it's not humid, because it's winter. But what do you reckon? Kind of stinks. Not sure I like the smell of that. It smells like hair products, I guess. I don't really... I think that did something. I reckon it looks a bit smoother? Or is that all in my head? What do you reckon? I'm going to use this. Because I'm usually too lazy to style my hair. I do it like 3 times a year, so that could be useful. I do have like curl serums and things like that which you put in your hair, but they always make them so heavy. And it's meant to be like anti-frizz and make your curls curly rather than frizzy. This doesn't seem to be, I didn't use much obviously, but it doesn't seem to be heavy. It just kind of smells like a salon. Cool. I'm gonna go wash my hands though. I don't like this smell. I don't have any soap in that bathroom, so that didn't work very well. Well. Cool. This isn't too bad, and it's not too expensive at full size either. $16.99 is pretty good. And if you're only using a tiny bit like I just did, 113 grams is going to last forever. This is going to last a long time, and it's only 30 mils. 30 grams. Mil. Alright, the sample size is in mil, but they've written the full size in grams. That's why I was getting confused, I swear. Next. We've had this before. This was in one of my first ever boxes. The White Glow Extra Strength Whitening Toothpaste. I'm pretty sure this is exactly the same brand as last time as well. I went through it very quickly and I don't think it did anything because I couldn't use it for 2 weeks like it asks. So I didn't tell anyone about it. But this is a 24 gram packet, which is the sample size. The full one is 150 grams and it costs, oh, only $5.30. $5.30 for a full size isn't too bad. No, that maths is wrong. That maths is really wrong. Yeah, so this is like 85 cents worth of toothpaste. But I will use it again. My teeth are always a little bit yellow because I drink a lot of coffee. It smells good. It smells delicious. Very minty. Oh, okay, so apparently it was rated the most effective whitening toothpaste by CanStar Blue and has received the seal of approval from the Australian Dental Association. Apparently if you use it regularly, you'll whiten your teeth, but this isn't really enough to use it regularly, so unfortunately. Oh, I got a free little anti-wrinkle Garnier thing. It just says anti-wrinkle daycare. I'm assuming it's moisturizer. I'm just going to put it on. It's not in the little card that you get that tells you what you've got. That's how much we get. It's really just single use, isn't it? Lavender. I should move my hair out of my face before I started it. I need to be more gentle with my eyes. I'm so impatient. Now I smell like a flower. Why did I yell that? 2 products left. So, ooh, neck cream. Okay, so this is the 40 Fathoms Skin Regenerator neck cream. It's a whole lot of gibberish. We've had 40 Fathoms before. They gave us like a full size, I think it was a moisturizer. And I still have it, but I stopped using it because it was making my skin bumpy, which made me think I was probably allergic to it. My face tends to be, if I'm gonna have an allergic reaction, it's gonna be on my face. So neck cream I might be able to use because this is full size. Right on. Darcy, if you're watching, I now say right on because of you. This is your fault. So it is 60 mils and it retails for $42.95. You can get it at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, or on their website. She's exy. How do you get this open? Oh, it's got an authenticity code on it. Are people out there like making fake 40 Fathoms neck creams? Probably on Amazon, you can get anything. I got an ad come up today on, I think it was Amazon. I was scrolling through Facebook and an Amazon ad came up. And one of the products they were trying to sell me was just called the purple thing. It was just like a piece of purple plastic, like a long, thin, I don't even know what it was. I have no idea what it was used for. And it was called the purple thing. Oh no, I broke the box. You know, it'd be great. This is cardboard packaging. This feels very recycled. But it's covered in plastic for some reason. The cardboard's fine. Oh, there's an instruction booklet. Squeeze a pea-sized amount of cream on your fingertips. Apply the cream starting with the décolletage, is that how you say it? Using gentle upward strokes towards the outline of the face. Let's do it. It smells like something, I can't quite put my finger on it. Figuratively, I can literally put my finger on it. I don't know what that smell is. I don't think I like it. I don't dislike it. Like the smell, I mean. It's just something weird about it. It's a nice formula. It's very light on the skin. It's not sticky. It's, you know, soaked right in. So not bad, I guess. For $42.95. Why do people spend so much money on things? I'm such a cheaper. And the last product is another full-size product. It's our only makeup product of the month. And it is a is it Emco or Mitco? Emco sounds better. Emco Beauty Waterproof Full Lash Mascara. And it's $22 full price from Woolies. Let's put it on. It's a really thick bottle. It feels like high school to me. Ooh, very flexible wand. Can you see that? I'm not really doing any pressure on it. It's just... That's what the wand looks like. Just standard plastic. I'm gonna grab a mirror and zoom in and put it on. Hi. Look how red my skin is. I have a massive... It's not a massive pimple, but it really hurts. Stop touching it. Wow, I didn't realize I had this many red spots all over me. Cool. Ooh. Why does this smell good? It's so weird. I did not curl my lashes or anything. This is just a straight application. See if it's any good. I actually need a new mascara. I use the Falsies Lash Lift one usually from Maybelline. I think it's just a bit old and clumpy now. I put it on yesterday and my eyelashes are all clumped together. Which I know some people like the look of, but that's not normally how it applies. And I think it's just getting a bit old. So... time to chuck it out, I think. I have a lot of mascaras I probably need to chuck out. A lot of things I probably need to chuck out. I should do a clean out of my makeup thing and film it for you guys. You can see what I've got. And what I need, what I use, what I don't use. I know there's quite a few YouTubers. I saw this from Trina Louise, but she saw it from someone else, I'm sure. There's a lot of other people that do it. Who do like rotations monthly where they have a drawer where they're only allowed to use things from that drawer. Maybe I can do that. I really like this mascara. Sorry, I got distracted, but this is really nice. I have not curled it. And I've been talking the whole way through. I haven't even been paying attention. It's such a gentle, flexible wand. It's so nice. I'm really impressed, and it smells good. I actually had low hopes. Mostly because this is a Woolies, not Woolies brand, but it's something you can like only really get at Woolies, so I just kind of assumed it was gonna be average. I think we've gotten a product from them before. Yeah, so I might do that thing with the monthly makeup, but I don't wear makeup very often, so that's probably gonna have to be like every 2 months. And then I swap it all around and give you my thoughts. Because I have a bunch of stuff that I don't really use, like I've tried once and just forgotten about it. So I'm not applying quite as nicely on this eye for some reason. It still looks good though. Well, that is not bad. Pretty good. I don't have the longest lashes in the world, and they kind of go straight ahead. They don't flick up nicely. So to be able to get that effect without even having to curl my lashes is handy, because that can take time, and I am lazy and usually in a rush when I'm doing my makeup because I decide to do it at the last minute. Something's balling up on my face. This is a win. I really like this. If you like that type of lash, highly recommend. If you prefer different, you know, every mascara does something different. Some of them make them really long, some of them make them really clumpy because that's something that some people really like. You know, these ones are fine. They give you a bit of a curl and a lengthen, and the applicator it's a very fine tooth. So you're gonna get the spread out look rather than the clumpy thick look. So it depends what you want, I guess. Alright, well that was the July BELLABOX. Let's see how much this is worth. It's gonna be well over $20. $75.40 Australian worth of products in this box. And it cost me $20 including shipping. That is pretty good. I wish there was more makeup in these boxes. I say that all the time because I love makeup, but they usually have a lot more skincare in them, so I get a lot of my skincare from them because I'm lazy and cheap. This is super cool. Yes, please. I'm absolutely going to use that. The toothpaste is very handy. Even if you don't want to whiten your teeth, it's toothpaste, which I hope everyone is using. My nose is blocked because it's cold. And shampoo and conditioner, which is fun. The neck cream, I mean, I just moisturize my neck. I don't know if this is gonna really do anything for my neck. I don't have a lot of stuff going on my neck, so there's nothing to really fix, I guess. Not that anyone ever needs fixing. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna put any more makeup on because it's 3:17 on a Sunday afternoon and I need to go grocery shopping and before 6, so I might as well go now, right? Anyway, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, go to my Instagram and follow me there. Although I haven't been posting. How rude, my camera cut me off. But I haven't been posting that much on Instagram either because I'm exhausted and can't be bothered to do anything. I spent heaps of time on makeup yesterday and didn't even take photos for Instagram. What kind of influencer am I? Anyway, I'm gonna go. Have a great weekend, everyone. Or, you know, I hope you had a great weekend because it'll be late Sunday by the time you see this. Have good weeks then. I have run out of things to say. Anyway,